Hi guys! So first off, I'm sorry my hair is kind of a mess right now. It's not styled or anything, so it's kind of a hot mess, but that doesn't matter because today I'm going to be dyeing my hair and I'm gonna be talking about it and showing you guys as usual. I always like to do videos of my hair adventures. So yeah, I am a little bit sad that I'm going to be leaving this blonde hair behind because this is probably the best blonde I've ever been able to achieve. But you know what? We are not doing anything dark, we're not doing anything permanent, we're doing a nice light semi-permanent hair color, so my blonde will be here still just underneath. So anyway, I'm going to be going peach. I've always wanted to do a peachy color. I think it's so cute and different, and it's honestly one of my favorite colors. So I'm definitely going for a pretty classic peach, but I do want it to lean a little bit more orange than pink. I feel like usually with peach or coral colors, they usually lean a certain way, and I personally want it to lean a little bit more orange. And I'll put an inspiration pic somewhere on the screen just so you know what I'm trying to achieve. But yeah, basically I just want a nice vibrant, but not too vibrant, peach color that's a little bit more orange than it is pink. And I feel like this will be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm up for it. So yeah, I will show you guys now what I'm using. Now, Manic is the best because they literally sent me a box. And literally when I got this in the mail, I felt like it was Christmas morning. I almost cried because it's just so sweet to me because Manic is a huge brand. They're one of the best semi-permanent hair dye brands out there. And I am such a small creator, so the fact that they were happy to send me a huge box, it just melts my heart. They're so sweet. Yeah, I love Manic. They sent me like a cute little card, and then they sent me a brush and a bowl. These are so nice. I'm so excited to use them today. I've had the same bowl and brush for years, a very long time, so the fact that I have brand new ones, really nice ones, is so exciting. And then I got a bunch of different colors to have fun with. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be using Manic's Psychedelic Sunset, which is a very vibrant orangey shade. It's like a very electric orange, very vibrant. And then I'm going to be mixing that with Pretty Flamingo by Manic. And this is a pink color. I feel like it is a little bit more of an orangey pink or red pink, but I'm hoping that these two will make a good peach. I think that they will. They also did give me a Pastelizer, and basically what this does is it can dilute colors and make them more pastel. And I think I am going to dilute these colors, but I think I'm going to use conditioner because I want to save this because this is like super duper nice, and I'm not going to dilute it too much, so I kind of want to save that for when I go a truly pastel color. Also, I just shampooed my hair yesterday because you want freshly washed hair, and I feel like if I put conditioner in with this, I'll be kind of multitasking. So I'll have conditioned hair and it'll be kind of like a hair mask. It'll be good for my hair, extra good, because these do have really good ingredients in them. So then with conditioner, it's like the perfect kind of hair mask. So yeah, I'm going to be using probably mostly orange because I do want it to be mostly orange, but I'm going to be using probably a decent amount of this with a bunch of conditioner, and we'll just kind of see what happens. Luckily with these kind of dyes, when you see it in the bowl, you can get a really good idea of how it's going to look on your head. So I'm feeling pretty optimistic about this. I'm a little nervous because it's more of a challenge for me. I love to mix colors together though. It's like so fun and sciencey, so I'm really excited, and I've wanted to go peach for a really long time, and Manic is so sweet for sending me all this. Like I just can't believe they really did. So yeah, I will bring you guys to my bathroom with me and we will try to go peach.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Okay, I'm ready to show you guys the final result. Did it work? Did it not? Take your guess. Ta-da! So this is the final result after one wash following the initial wash when I washed all the dye out, because it was just very neon orange, which was a very cool color, but not exactly what I was going for. So I did wash it once and got the perfect color that I wanted. So I am so happy. I left the dye on for maybe 2 hours, I believe. 2 or 3. I shot for 3. I got a little impatient, so it was maybe closer to 2, but I left it on for quite a while, and then I washed it out, and then it was the neon orange, and then I washed it again the next day, and voila, got this color. I am really happy with this color. I love it. I think it is exactly what I had in mind. More orange toned, that's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. If you want this color, I would recommend using a lot more conditioner than I used, but if you do want something a little bit more vibrant, then you can do less conditioner. So yeah, I think that's it. This is how my hair turned out, and I hope that this was helpful to someone. I know that peach is a more unique color. I don't know how many people really try to go peach, but if you are going to try, I hope this helped. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one, hopefully. Bye!